All right, and we are recording. YouTube fam. Today's
What's up?
video is for the DIY investor who wants to take their trading to the next level, okay? So, Jake, we're going to talk about, to me, the most important piece to get people from not feeling like they're gambling to really actually learning how to day trade, and that's through the guide. So before we get into the guide feature, I want to talk about sort of why this is important. I feel like there's a lot of investors out there right now that have made a lot of money on the run up, and now that the market is starting to level out, you know, it was easy in March. You could throw a dart at anything, and it could, and it would have went up. And so now I think we're really going to see there become a separation on people who can stay in the market and people who got lucky before and think they're going to continue to get lucky. And I think the market's going to shake them out. So this is where I feel like WeTrade could really help, WeTradeHQ. And let's talk about the guide feature. So I specifically want talk about the guides and then talk about intraday day trading, which is one of the most popular ones. And I think it's a great one for people to start at.
For sure. Yeah. So I with our guides feature, I really want to help DIY investors build their confidence when it comes to trading, right? It takes a while to build confidence when you're learning a skill. And with our free guides, you're able to read a bunch of content, learn a bunch of different strategies or instruments, or basically a bunch of different guides pertaining to different topics when it comes to day trading. And that's what WeTradeHQ is about, helping you build that confidence so you can invest yourself and lead to that success. So with our guides, we have over 20 guides right now and counting it. You know, every week or every month we're trying to get more content on there from our experts. But basically, you're able to browse and read guides for free, all on our platform. Okay. One of our most popular guides is the Day Trading for Beginner guide by Brad, one of our mentors. And basically, it takes you through the fundamental steps of how to start day trading, right? Building that foundation, building those steps that will lead to success with that guide. And you can view it all on WeTradeHQ.com here. I will share my screen and show you guys what the guide's about.
And I'll also link that in the description.
Absolutely. So here's all of our free guides. We have a ton, about Webull, momentum stock trading, crypto, how to find a trading mentor, but day trading for beginners, definitely one of our most popular guides for sure. And it has some great tools and some great tips here on learning about the guide. You can see it's quite long. There's lots of content here that you can just absorb and really use these guides. Be a sponge, absorb all these guides. And when you start day trading, you're going to have a ton of knowledge to be able to expel or to use to your advantages. So in this guide, we have 3 strategies that Brad talks about. The first being price action near high or low of day. You can see a nice forward chart here with some trend lines. And you can see there's captions on it. Like, it's really, really easy to follow. We have a gap fill strategy here where it talks about filling gaps when it comes to day trading, as well as a moving average crossover strategy. So tons of content in this guide. Definitely check it out. I would start here, honestly. If you're joining WeTradeHQ for the first time, start with this guide. You'll learn a ton.
Do you, and can you access these without having a profile?
Yep. You don't need to make an account. Just go to this link. Any guide you can read for free without having an account either. So very quick to pop up.
Okay, awesome. I think this is probably the most, I don't want to say underutilized because people use it, but like, this is the piece of our website that I feel like is the sleeper for us, because you kind of forget about it, but there is so much great content from all of our mentors. I think it's underutilized by our whole community. We still have a lot of people that use it. So check them out. Check out the guides. This is going to be, like Jake said, the best place to start and to build your knowledge. And if it's free, what do you got to lose? So link is in the description. Jake, we'll catch up with you next week.
Sounds good. Have a good one.
Brother.